Shit. I should have went and got beer. I'm still stuck with woodchuck. So, we'll go with old trusty there. We're going to do colors today. No, we're not. She said no, she didn't want colors. We're going to do a black bra on the front of this, whatever Chevy this is. When we're done, I've got clear. Alright. With the clear, I'm going to mix glitter. Now the glitter, I've been told does not work. Or excuse me, I've been told metal flake doesn't work. Because when you mix it with Plasti Dip, it just sinks straight to the bottom. I did not go with metal flake. I went and got fashion glitter. This has kind of a translucent, like pearl look. You kind of look at it one way, it's a purple, the other way it's a green, but it looks white without light. So I'm going to try to mix this with the clear and see how it comes out. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. But in the end, she said she did want a bra in her car, and she was willing to let me experiment. So first things first, we're going to go down with a black Plasti Dip bra. After that, I'm going to come over with the clear, with the glitter added into it, and then we're going to see how it comes out. So this is coat one with the black. Alright. That's coat one. And remember, don't get into a rush with this, because if you do, you're going to end up with a lot of drips and runs. So we're just going to let this dry, and we'll come back for coat two. We're about to go down with coat number two, and this is where I want to put my signature piece on. Now, if you're looking to do stencils underneath Plasti Dip, basically where you cut a piece of paper out and put it underneath so the outline will show through, this is how you do it. You have your layer of Plasti Dip. Go down with a layer of wet. And then go ahead and seat this down and make sure that it's stuck pretty good and you don't have any raised edges. Now that it's down and seated, I've gone over it with another thin layer of Plasti Dip and I put a couple of fans on it. And what that is for is so when this dries, it'll basically have a layer of rubber over it to hold it in place. Once that's done and it's cured, then I'm going to go ahead and finish spraying the front the way I normally would. That sucks, man.
Yeah.
Alright, we're going down with coat number three. Everybody put your masks on.
I never took mine off. Next paycheck, I'm buying one of those.
They're nice.
Yeah.
I enjoy mine. Alright, that's coat number three. I'm going to start mixing up the clear and throw some glitter in it and see what happens. Sorry, I forgot to start recording. We took the clear and poured it in the bucket.
Can't see it, but alright.
No, you just can't see it on that screen, but you can see it just fine. They will. I'm going to do the same mix, 50-50. I'm going to fill this can up just as full as it was when I opened it. To get the clear, I went to Ace Hardware, and I asked for a can of the clear. It's the Create Your Own Color Kit without the dyes. And it was like $13 for me. Versus, I think they wanted $22 for the actual Create Your Own Color Kit. Now, of course, with this, I'm going to be using a clean hopper, clean stir stick. Oh, God, there it is. Get this nice and stirred up.
Now let's add some glitter.
Now, some glitter. This shit's gonna be all over me. Damn.
You're gonna be a vampire for a few weeks.
I know I'm gonna be a gay vampire, guys. I'm gonna have glitter all over the place. Alright, we'll just dump this whole thing in there.
I think we need some more glitter.
Yeah, we'll put more glitter down there. Nah.
You're gonna have to explain this whole glitter thing to me later.
I don't know. That's a lot of glitter. We'll do more. We'll do more glitter.
We want it to
Oh God, Bella! Oh. What do you think? Should we add more glitter?
No, I think
That's good.
I think so, huh? What do you think?
I don't know. That's kind of glittery. That's pretty damn glittery.
Yeah, I think so too.
But I'd rather have too much than not enough.
True. Let's put some more glitter in.
Fucking glitter. Now, guys, if you're wondering what this glitter is, I went to, where did I go to? Hobby Lobby. And I got Tulip Fashion Glitter. And it says, multi ultra fine. So, it was, yeah, like $2.99. So that's where I bought it if you're wondering where I got this. I'm sure any of the craft stores will have it. But this particular glitter came from them. I just don't want any of this black to mix with the clear, because you know that ain't going to come out right. Alright, let's do this.
Let's do it.
Whoa.
You can see the bucket sparkling.
Can you?
Just on the camera. That is a glittery motherfucker.
Alright, there it is. Glitter! So we're going to go ahead and untape the rest of this. We're going to let it dry. We're going to back it out of the sun. Clean up where some of the glue from the tape got stuck on the car. And then we'll show you the end result. I'm very surprised about this.
It's glitter.
Guys, remember, whenever you're dealing with metal flake, that you don't want to actually buy metal flake. Buy glitter. It's all about buoyancy. Metal flake inside the Plasti Dip will go straight to the bottom. Glitter will float in the middle, and whenever you spray it, it'll come out evenly. Henceforth, the glitter bra. Alright, so there it is, glitter bra. Don't forget to subscribe, click like, go to my Facebook page, facebook.com/IamThePuzzleMan, or you can go to my website. I'll show you how to Plasti Dip a whole car, buying the gun included, for under $200. IamThePuzzleMan.com. Guys, see you next time.
Nothing but glitter. Thank you, Puzzle Man.